It was just past 9:45 p.m. when Claire Winters was found dead in her apartment. No signs of forced entry, just a single bullet and her notebook left open beside her. Claire was a journalist, and she was onto something big. Detective Marcus Hale knew this wasn't random. Her notes pointed to corruption, names, places, money. One councilman kept appearing, and now Claire was silent. A hidden voice memo on her phone revealed her fear and the name of the man following her. The arrest came quickly. But justice? That was murkier. Claire's story was buried, but not forgotten. And for Detective Hale, the truth still echoes in every unanswered question.
I created this video using completely free AI tools, and you can do the same. If you're just getting started, you can also buy a pre-monetized YouTube channel to skip the wait and start earning right away. I'm personally selling these accounts, so don't worry about trust or legitimacy. The actual price is $350, but through the link in the description, you can grab it for just $250. Let's start with the process. First, open ChatGPT. Ask it to give you some documentary video ideas. Pick one that interests you or go with your own idea. Then, ask ChatGPT to write a short script for a documentary-style video based on that idea. Make sure it's written in paragraph format and focused only on narration, without dialogues or effects. This script is perfect for YouTube videos, but for now, we'll keep it short for this demo. Next, read the script carefully. In the description, I've provided a master prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now take the first line of your script, paste it at the end of the master prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a prompt for your image. For image generation, I'm using ImageFX, a free and powerful tool by Google. Paste the prompt into ImageFX. Make sure to lock the seed, this keeps the style consistent across all images. Choose the landscape aspect ratio, which is ideal for YouTube, and hit generate. Once the images are ready, download the one that fits best. Now repeat the same process for the next lines of the script. Sometimes ImageFX might generate something off. For example, when I asked for a detective scene, it gave me an image of the victim instead. In that case, go back to ChatGPT and let it know what went wrong. It'll give you a corrected prompt. You have to be creative and tweak things to get the best results. After generating all the images, we move to video creation. For video generation, I am using VEO. If you don't have Google AI Pro, check the video in the description. It shows you how to access all Google AI tools for free, including VEO 3. Now open Flow, create a new project, and go to Settings. Choose VEO 2 and select one output per prompt. Switch to frames to video mode. Upload your first image. In the prompt section, either describe the scene or simply type motion to animate it. Once the video is ready, click Download and select Upscale for better quality. Upscaling costs 0 credits, and once done, just click Download again. Repeat the process for all your images. Now your videos are ready, we just need voiceover and background music. For voiceover, I recommend using 11 Labs. Go to the Voices section. Apply filters. Choose your language. accent, and in the category, select informative and educational. Pick male and middle-aged for the best voice matches for documentary content. These are the voices filtered specifically for documentary videos. Add your favorite voice to the library so you can use it easily later. Next, let's get the background music. You can use YouTube Audio Library for copyright-free tracks, or search suspense documentary background music no copyright on YouTube. You'll find some really great options. Finally, it's time to put everything together. For editing, I'm using CapCut. Import all your video clips. Then click on Sort and select Time Created, Earliest to Latest to automatically arrange everything in the right order. Add them all to the timeline. Then bring in your voiceover. Match each video segment with the right voice lines. You can slow down the speed to make the video look more cinematic. Then add background music and adjust it according to the video. You have to be creative to get best results. After some light editing, your video will look like this.
It was just past 9:45 p.m. when Claire Winters was found dead in her apartment. No signs of forced entry, just a single bullet and her notebook left open beside her. Claire was a journalist, and she was onto something big. Detective Marcus Hale knew this wasn't random. Her notes pointed to corruption, names, places, money. One councilman kept appearing, and now Claire was silent. A hidden voice memo on her phone revealed her fear and the name of the man following her. The arrest came quickly. But justice? That was murkier. Claire's story was buried, but not forgotten. And for Detective Hale, the truth still echoes in every unanswered question.
That's it. If you want to skip the wait, buy a monetized channel from the link below. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, and watch the next video to unlock VEO 3 for free.